Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the amazing world of wood apple, a fruit packed with incredible health benefits. Also known as Bael or Limonia acidissima, this fruit is native to India, Sri Lanka, and other parts of Southeast Asia. It's highly nutritious and offers a variety of uses. Let's take a closer look. Wood apple is a powerhouse of nutrients. It's rich in essential vitamins like A and C, along with minerals such as calcium and potassium. The fiber content in wood apple is also impressive, making it great for digestion. These nutrients contribute to its overall health benefits. One of the primary benefits of wood apple is its positive effect on digestive health. Its high fiber content helps in easing constipation, promoting regular bowel movements, and even treating digestive disorders like diarrhea and dysentery. In traditional medicine, wood apple is widely used for these purposes. Wood apple is also known for boosting immunity. Its high levels of vitamin C help the body fight off infections and improve skin health. Plus, it contains anti-inflammatory compounds, which can help reduce inflammation, alleviate joint pain, and provide relief for conditions like arthritis. For those with diabetes, wood apple can be a great addition to your diet, as it has a low glycemic index and helps regulate blood sugar levels. Additionally, the potassium content in wood apples supports heart health by regulating blood pressure, reducing the risk of heart disease. This fruit acts as a natural detoxifier. It cleanses the liver and kidneys while acting as a mild diuretic. So, consuming wood apple can aid in the body's natural detoxification process, keeping your internal systems running smoothly. Now, how can you enjoy wood apple? Well, there are several delicious ways. First, you can eat it fresh by cracking open the hard shell and scooping out the pulp. The pulp can be eaten as is or mixed with sugar or jaggery for added sweetness. Or, you can make a refreshing wood apple juice, also known as sherbet. Simply mash the pulp with water, strain it to remove the seeds and fibers, and add a bit of sugar, honey, or lemon juice for flavor. Serve it chilled, and it's excellent for digestion. For a more flavorful twist, try making wood apple chutney by combining the pulp with spices, chilies, and jaggery. It's a popular condiment in South Asian cuisine. You can also turn it into jam or use it in desserts like pies and ice creams. The possibilities are endless. In Ayurveda, wood apple is used in powdered or extract form to treat various ailments, from ulcers to inflammatory conditions. However, it's important to note that consuming too much wood apple may cause gas or stomach discomfort due to its high fiber content. People with sensitive stomachs should enjoy it in moderation. To sum it up, wood apple is a versatile and nutritious fruit with remarkable health benefits. Whether you're looking to improve digestion, boost immunity, or detoxify your body, wood apple can be a great addition to your diet. Enjoy it fresh, in juice, chutneys, or even desserts. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips and recipes. See you next time.